Hi everyone, I'm Oliver with Salon Service Group, and in today's Spotlight, we're excited to feature our newest brand, K18. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming spotlights of our newest brands and products. K18 is a new brand that spent a full decade testing over 1,200 keratin proteins to find the exact molecule that renews hair inside and out. The brand is comprised of two breakthrough products, a hair mist and a hair mask, that work in conjunction to permanently heal your client's hair that may be damaged by in-salon treatments or environmental factors. The K18 Mist can be used before any professional chemical service in your salon. It strengthens the hair and prevents any potential damage. Apply K18 Hair Mist to slightly damp hair and wait 4 minutes for the product to activate. After that, you can process your client's hair as normal. It's that easy. After a shampoo and towel dry, it's time for the mask. While the mist is a professional-only product, the mask comes in a few different sizes for you to use in your salon or to retail to your clients. Since the mask is something my pandemic-induced, severely bleach damaged hair could use, I'll demonstrate how a non-professional like myself and your clients can use it. After a quick shampoo and towel dry, you can start with 1 pump of K18 Mask. You can add more depending on the length, the thickness, and the condition until it's worked evenly throughout from ends to roots. The condition of mine is not good, so I'm going to keep using more. Once the hair is fully saturated, you can let it set for 4 minutes so it can fully activate. The great thing about this mask is after the 4 minutes, you can immediately start cutting your client's hair or styling it as usual, like I'll be doing off camera. Thank you for watching, and I want to thank K18 for making my hair feel so much better than it did before. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming spotlights of our newest brands like K18 or products. If you're not already, make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Salon Service Group. Until next time, I'm Oliver, and as a theme song to Reba McEntire's show Reba goes, you're a survivor. Have a good day.